Hey guys, it's Saturday and we are ice fishing. Look at this Dylan with all the stuff right there. We are fishing at Otter Lake. Drove out on the ice with all the people. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'll let you go when we start fishing, okay? Bye. This is our ice shack. Our holes.
Dylan's gonna catch most fish.
Doubt it.
I wouldn't doubt it.
Yep, that's it. Ready?
Yes, it's recording.
Got one.
It's a little guy. Is it a keeper?
Yeah. Okay, let's just have one again.
Yeah. Or we could just record this whole time.
No. Alright, there. How many fish? There.
You got one? Here, fishy, 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 fishy.
You still recording?
Yes.
You can't record. Did you stop one?
Oh, got one.
Here.
Here, hold this. There we go.
Alright, say something.
It's a bluegill. And hold it.
Woo! Okay, here. It's recording. Dang. I was gonna wait for that one. Let you guys watch it bite, but dang, you took it.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Stop. Okay. Hang on, stop it, then I'll record it.
Oh, I was just gonna bite on mine.
Oh, that's a nice one too.
Let's see how much we got so far. Only been here for about 5 minutes.
Well, you know, a lot of it we are cutting though, so here it's cutting. I'm not good at cutting.
Garrett's cleaning. Oh, got one. There's something playing with mine. How do you do that pause thing? Like you said, we could pause it, and then when you click the button again, it will start going again.
Just push the middle button.
Yeah. Yep, that's fish.
It's a little guy.
Oh, I sure pounded it.
Not.
I was gonna say, it sure was twitching your pole pretty good.
Dang. It's looking for a break.
Look at that. Oh, I got a big one. Holy balls.
Recording on your lap?
Yeah. Yeah, that's a big one. That's about 8 inches. I knew it was a big one. And here, you're just sitting out there, not fishing. That's a nice one. Looks kind of small on your video camera, but look at it compare my hand.
Just like compare with your hand.
Yeah, look at that. That's nice. Oh, you don't need light.
Here we go.
It's recording.
Alright, that was day one of our fishing trip. As you can see, in front of us and behind us, there's a big row of vehicles getting off the ice. And yes, it's pretty cool because we drove on the ice and it's still ice road. But yeah, tomorrow we're going to come back earlier because today we got here kind of late. It was already getting dark, so we only fished for about an hour. But we still got about, what, 8 fish? Yeah?
10,
So,
20, I don't know.
yeah, we'll be back tomorrow, so until then.
Late work, road rage,
Take it back.